Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife, baby, and you were back. If you know, you know. It's late and that's why I'm acting like this. But yeah, welcome back. I said I'm Lindy, right? Yeah, Lindiorslife. Yeah, so let's get into this wigiana. We have this wig today. First of all, let's just give a shout out to LuvMe hair for, you know, collabing with your girl and sending me this wig over so we can really get into it. Okay, so yeah, LuvMe hair. I'm pretty sure I've worked with them before, but it was a headband wig. Yes, it was a headband wig, but now today we are doing a full lace wig or whatever. So let's do a little unboxing. Obviously cute packaging. They've given me a $5 off gift card code little thing. I put obviously the link to this wig and then my direct link code all in the description box. I'm gonna put it on the screen too. You can go get the wig and get some money off. But yeah, I think this might just be for me. And then it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, period. As you can see. Ooh, is it gonna focus? Yeah, real cute. So move that over. We've got the wig in this good packaging, and then we have some goodies in this LuvMe packaging, which is very cute. We have a you know, the headband to help with the wig application. Oh, we got some lashes. Yes sir, ski, love that. What else do we have here? Okay, we have tweezers, that's a necessity. If you know, you know. We have some hair clips or bobby pins, and then we have this cute LuvMe hair clip. Or this says frame? No, LuvMe. Oh lord, had it upside down. Have this. So now I have two of them. I might do a look one day with both of them in my head. But yeah, so comb, and then they have a little pamphlet about everything, returns and everything. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. Really cute. Love the packaging. They really, one thing about them, they're gonna do it with the packaging. Okay. But let's get into the wig. So I'm about to put everything back in here. Someone got okay. Ooh, she's a soft one. This is my first impression, y'all. So let's get into it. And then I'm gonna put all the information about the wig on the screen, if I'm being honest, because I don't remember. But I believe this is supposed to be like invisible lace, HD lace. So this is what she's giving. It's pre-plucked. It comes pre-plucked. I got 18 inches and it comes curled, as you can see. There are 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it comes with the elastic band attachment. Yeah, it comes with the elastic band. So this is the elastic band, and they have the attachments already in there for you for your use. So that's cool. You don't have to like put it in there. I think it's like obviously adjustable for your head. So cool beans. I like that it comes curled. I mean, I could have washed it and stuff, but I didn't, so mind your business. But so far so good. The hair is really soft. This is and the lace is very much plucked. It looks like it's been bleached as well. So we're doing good. We are doing good. Let me brush this thing out. And let's get into this install. Okay, she's thick all the way to the ends too. Now y'all know I'm gonna come back with like an update, like restyling it or something, so you can know like how how it acts after being washed and all this stuff. But this is full first impression wig install, and she's giving, honestly. But I'm going to get to the installation portion of this video and just kind of do a little cute montage, talk to y'all, get into this install, and then we're gonna come back at the end with final thoughts and all the things. So yeah, let's put this wig in my head. Okay, when I put this wig in my head, it's gonna be over for you bitches. Per.
Then dip me underway. You can get me on my foot, hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Alright y'all, we are back with the final look. This is the hair. Cute. I want it to... I don't know. But yeah, this is the final look. I cut a little bit off the end, just a little bit. Did a little bit of layering, but this is it. We did a little fluffy baby hair moment. So yeah, now what I will say about this wig is so far so good on any shedding, tangling, or whatever. But y'all know I did not wash it before this install, so I will be back with another styling video and we'll discuss all of that. But so yeah, good on that. The lace is actually really good, really invisible or whatever, as you can see. Getting up close and personal, still very good on the lace. So that's a plus. Number 2, it doesn't really hold a curl except for the curl it came with. Like, I tried to curl it a little bit, but it's not as bouncy as I would like it to be. But I'm sure with washing and like some hairspray or something, it would be fine. But all in all, I'm living for this. I'm not gonna lie, this is a cute little look. I wanted something, you know, short and light and just like bouncy. Like, I just want curls. I think I'm gonna do flexi rods overnight and just give the girls curls, and you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm living for it. Y'all let me know down below how you feel. You know, get into all of it or whatever. And yes, like, comment, subscribe, and holler at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comment section. And I will see y'all next week for the next hair video. So, bye.